Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netflix account on Smart TV step by step clearly. To activate your Netflix account on a Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Smart TV using the remote. Navigate to the home screen of your Smart TV. Look for the Netflix app in the Applications or Streaming section. If you don't see the app, search for it in the App Store on your Smart TV. Download and install the Netflix app if necessary. Once the app is installed, open the Netflix application. You will see an option to sign in or start a free trial. Select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Netflix account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After entering your login details, select the Sign In button. Wait a moment while the app processes your information. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to the Netflix homepage. You can now browse and select a movie or show to watch. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection or Netflix credentials. Enjoy watching your favorite content on Netflix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.